Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you to change text color in PowerPoint like a pro. First, select the text you want to change the color, and on the ribbon you will see that home. In the font group you will see that color font option. Click on this drop down menu and select the color of your choice. For example, I'm selecting the red one, which is the standard color. So you can also go to the more colors and select the color of your choice from this color palettes. Here is the customs, and here you can select the RGB colors or HSL colors. It's up to you. So here you can increase the gradient of the all colors. This is the standard, so I'm selecting this blue one, click OK, and this is what the color has been changed. In another way, you can select the text, and here you will see that a mini toolbar, and here is the font color. You need to click on that and pick the color of your choice. You can also select the more colors and go to the same window which I discussed earlier. Another way is that select the text and right click and go to the format text effects. On the right side you will see that the text options. Click on that, and here you need to select the solid color. Click on this drop down color palette and select the color of your choice. And you can also increase the transparency. As you increase the transparency, you will see that it is getting down, and increase the transparency means it gets thicker. Moreover, another way is that if you want to apply this red color to the market overview and or the all slides, how you can do that? Just select the color, and on the left side you will see that a format painter. Click on that, and here is the brush. You need to apply on the another text which you want to change the color. Once you release the mouse, you will see that the color has been changed. Moreover, there is another way with the eyedropper. You can select any color which you want on the slide and apply similar color to the text. How you can do that? So for example, you want to apply this blue color to this text. So how you can do that? First select the text and then go to the font group. Again click on the color choice and click on that eyedropper, and now click on this blue color, and here is you can that the color of text has been changed and similar to this drop. So in this multiple ways you can easily change the text in PowerPoint like a pro. So if you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.